Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing a used bargain grade lens from KEH, the Sigma 18-35 EF mount lens, and we'll also be upgrading the firmware on this lens for use with the Canon EOS R7. This unboxing footage was taken solely in case the purchased items were not as described, and was not initially intended to be shared, so apologies in advance for the volume, dialogue, and poor filming techniques.
Has the original, well, it has a Sigma cap to it, and wow, this thing's heavy. I'm gonna take this off. A little sticky, but the seems to move all right. One of these was the focus ring, one of these was the zoom. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what this glass looks like. Huh. That looks pretty damn clean. I don't see any obvious scratches or anything on it. Let's check the other element. We got a little fragment of dust on it, but other than that, it's pretty good. I'll need to test it, of course, to see if it works. So, I have myself the Canon R7 here with the official Canon mount EF adapter, the moment of truth. Set it down. Can I take a picture? Yes, I can. Can I take a video? Yes, I can. Whatever firmware this is, the Sigma, it does not support lens correction on the R7.
Now we'll be upgrading the firmware for this lens using Sigma's USB dock, which to my knowledge is both the only way to upgrade it and check what version you have. You can get an idea of what version you might have using the changelog. For instance, the in-camera corrections will not be available below version 2.0, but for the exact version you'll need the dock in conjunction with the free Sigma Optimization Pro software. Upgrading was quick, and going from base version to latest also fixed this particular lens's performance with R7's IBIS, as seen here. I hope this video gave you an idea of what a bargain grade lens from KEH can look like, and also a quick look at what upgrading the Sigma 18-35mm is like, and whether you'd need to. In a future video, I'll be doing a more in-depth review of this lens, so if you like this video and would like to see more content of this nature, please like, comment, and/or subscribe.